In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pop-up page in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025, step by step. We're creating a simple professional pop-up tooltip that appears when someone hovers over an icon on your slide. Start by opening PowerPoint and using a blank presentation so everything is clean and distraction-free. On the Home tab, add a new slide and choose the blank layout. This gives us a clear canvas to work on. For this example, we'll use an icon as the trigger for the pop-up. Go to the Insert tab and choose Icons. Pick any icon you like. I'll use an airplane. Once the icon is inserted, resize it by dragging the corner handles so it's large enough to notice but not overwhelming on the slide. Place it where you want the interaction to happen. Next, create a short label that will appear in the pop-up. Go back to Insert and select Text Box. Click on the slide and type your label. I'll type airplane. Highlight that text, copy it so it's on your clipboard, and then delete the text box. We're only using the label to paste it into the pop-up later. Now let's turn the icon into a hover item with a screen tip pop-up. Click to select the icon, then press Ctrl+K to open the hyperlink dialog. In the options, choose Place in this document. Select the slide you're currently working on. In this example, it's slide 2. Choosing the same slide keeps the viewer on the current page, so the link doesn't jump anywhere. Before confirming, click the screen tip button. In the screen tip field, paste the label you copied earlier. This text is what will appear as your pop-up. Keep it brief and clear so it's easy to read. Click OK to close the screen tip and click OK again to finish setting the hyperlink. Hover your cursor over the icon and you'll see your pop-up appear with the label you pasted. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're hovering directly over the icon and that the hyperlink points to the current slide with a screen tip set. Short labels read best, and icons with enough contrast make the interaction more noticeable. That's it. You opened a blank slide, inserted and resized an icon, made a label, and used a hyperlink with a screen tip to create a clean, professional pop-up in PowerPoint. Try different icons and labels to match your presentation style, and you'll have an interactive slide that feels polished and intuitive.